Observing the moon from the northwest Europe during the summer times is difficult. In the summertime, the northern hemisphere, sun is in the constellations of the Gemini, Cancer, uh, Leo, and in September is in the Virgo. Practically the highest point in its yearly travel around the sky. So that means the moon will be in the lowest point during at least half of the month. Imagine that it will be in the, if we start being invisible near the Leo, for example, then as it goes down toward the Virgo and the Libra and the Scorpio and the Sagittarius, up to the full moon, it will be practically in all the lower constellations of the ecliptic, so it will be closer to the horizon. Hence, this view, you don't see much of it. Now imagine that after the mid of the moon, where you see the full moon, it starts to rise again in the constellations like Capricornus, then the Aquarius, then comes to the Pisces and the Aries. That will be near the highest point. So you will see the moon easier in the down sky. So this is the evening sky. So it is very close to the horizon. You can see the forest in foreground, and the moon behind it gradually going down. It's so low, all the low clouds, you can see that of moving across it. It was a beautiful sight. Never saw it like that before. I was lucky enough to see this from this very low point in the sky. And I was using a Skywatcher Srartravel 120 600 millimeter focal length telescope. So practically a very wide angle telescope. It was easy to keep the view centered on the moon. Of course, it's not the best for the planetary viewing or lunar viewing. It's for the deep sky objects. Very good, versatile, small, compact. At the same time, you can use it for some wide angle views of the moon as a lens. And then what I did was brought the camera out and just tried to actually capture some views of it. Beautiful. Sometimes you see even an airplane passing. Unfortunately, not this time. But that was nice to see that finally in the summertime being able to see the moon. And I tap on different parts of the camera. You can see that the street light post is actually on the view. Gradually moon gets close to us as it goes down the horizon, and we will not be able to see part of it at least. Anyway, I was telling that if you tap on the screen, this is a mobile phone, of course. If you tap on the screen, in bright side, you will see sensitivity of the camera changes automatically, so it can show the details on the moon, as you can see now. But the background will be very dark. If you tap on the dark side, then the moon will be overexposed, but you can see the view of the hill and the horizon and the woods and the forest which are in the foreground with respect to the moon. Beautiful views, and with different tapping on different areas you can see more details. And these are some of the still images I captured. Some of them are really, really beautiful. I like that. And the minimal processing, you can just see this. This is my favorite. You can see that it looks like a sci-fi movie almost. Beautiful. I enjoyed it.